If you're looking for a Hostinger coupon code, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple ways to find working Hostinger discounts fast without wasting time searching random pages that may not even be updated. This is especially useful if you want to save money on hosting, domain purchases, or a new website plan. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start. Let's start with the easiest method. First, open Google and search for Hostinger coupon code. This is the fastest way to see the latest results from coupon websites, blog posts, and creators who may be sharing active promo codes. When the results load, look for pages that mention current offers, discounts, or verified codes. Try to choose recent results because coupon codes can expire quickly and older pages may no longer be valid. Next, visit coupon sites like GrabOn, RetailMeNot, and similar deal websites. These platforms often collect promo codes for popular services like Hostinger, and sometimes they list special discounts that are not immediately visible on the main website. Once you open one of these pages, check the code details carefully. Some coupons may only apply to specific plans, while others may work for new customers only. It's a good idea to read any terms or notes before you copy a code. Another useful method is to check YouTube descriptions. A lot of creators who make website, blogging, or hosting tutorials include Hostinger affiliate links or discount codes in their video descriptions. If you find a video that is related to website setup, WordPress, or online business, open the description and look for any coupon code or special link. Sometimes the code is included directly in the text, and sometimes the discount is applied automatically when you use the creator's link. You can also use affiliate blog links. Many bloggers and review websites include Hostinger deals in their articles, and the code is often built into the link or listed near the call to action. These pages can be helpful because they usually explain which plan the discount works on, what percentage you might save, and whether there are any extra bonuses included. If you're comparing deals, this can help you decide which offer gives you the best value. Now, once you find a code, don't rush straight to checkout. First, open Hostinger and make sure the offer applies to the plan you want. Add your hosting plan to the cart, then look for the promo code field during checkout. Paste in the code exactly as shown because even a small typo can cause it not to work. After that, apply the code and check whether the price updates correctly. If the code does not work, try another source or another deal page because some codes are region-specific or limited to certain products. A quick tip here, always compare a few different sources before making your final purchase. One site might show a percentage discount, while another might offer a lower final price with a different promo. Sometimes the best deal is the one that is automatically applied through an affiliate link, so it's worth checking both coupon codes and referral pages. And don't forget, if you want more simple step-by-step tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and it keeps you updated with more money-saving guides. So, to recap, search Google for Hostinger coupon code, check trusted coupon sites like GrabOn and RetailMeNot, look through YouTube descriptions for creator-shared codes, and review affiliate or blog links for extra discounts. After that, test the code at checkout and confirm the savings before you complete your order. That's it for this guide on how to get a Hostinger coupon code. I hope this helped you save a little money today. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.